Transcend card reader. This is the unboxing of a Type-C card reader from Transcend. The model number goes by RDC8. The packaging itself is quite simple. It has a USB 3.1 to Type-C cable, a couple of documents and a card reader itself, which are moderately built from plastic. Now the MRP quoted on this box is 2,499 rupees, but I got it via Amazon for 1,350 rupees. I think it should be much cheaper in offline channels. For this price, we would expect a much more solid and durable plastic, but that is what we get from the OEM. The card reader supports inputs from microSD, SDHC, SDXC, and compact flash cards. Since the card reader comes with a Type-C connector, you can also use it to transfer the data to and from your card to smartphone and vice versa. Regarding the read and write speeds, there is no official info available either on the manual or the package, but I expect it to deliver a fairly decent performance considering the brand reputation. It delivered around 80 Mbps since my card is rated at 95 Mbps, so I think that is keeping up well. Now the unit also comes with a 2-year international warranty, well, if it lasts for 2 years considering the build quality in mind. So that's it for the unboxing video.